Hi guys, welcome back. After a long period of silence, Licious Lab is back in action. And today I'm going to take you to Cinnamon Mist, where I found there are 3 restaurants you need to try if you're in Kandy, you're visiting Kandy, or love to be in Kandy. Let's go. Terra Lounge, the delightful treats all day long. Here you'll be able to treat yourself with selection of pastries and full cake paired with an indulgent milkshakes or flavored ice creams for the perfect sweet treat. It's open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it's just at the lobby. Even though Cosmos is called as Sky Bar, the place is not just limited to a bar. Rather, it also has an infinity pool attached to it, a terrace behind it, and a dining area, which is perfectly designed. The ambience was top notch, and I feel, and I believe that the credit for designing such a beautiful, peaceful ambience for dining should go to the interior designer of this place. Whoever it is, bravo. While exploring the Cinnamon Mist rooftop at the Cosmos Sky Bar, I've come to notice that they have used cinnamon trees as decorative plants at the rooftop. What a brilliant idea to bring in a personal touch to this newbie in Kandy. Grains Dining brings to your taste buds culinary experiences from across the globe with a touch of some traditional flavors. Cinnamon Mist is a foodie paradise with a promise of relaxation. If you need food for your taste buds and for your soul, pave your way to enjoy the bliss in the Cinnamon Mist.